Okay, I'm gonna unbox these LED lights here. I bought them for my trailer. I'm gonna show you what it looks like straight out the box. This is them right here, and I'm gonna put them on later. So you got right here in the package, you got 2 lights, and you got the nuts right here, and you got some insulation parts that you put on your trailer for the rain, and you have some instructions. This is the only thing come in the box. Okay, and here go the instructions. It's real simple. Your white is going to be your ground. It's going to ground to the frame of your trailer. That's it. So I'm gonna give you an upfront look right here. This one right here. You see the wiring. You got your yellow, brown, and white. Like I said, white is going to always be on your ground. And then you got brown to brown, yellow to yellow. And also here on the other side, which is going to go on your left. So white is going to always be ground, which is going to be grounded to your frame. And just connect the brown to the brown and green to the green. And if it's reversed, you can put the green to the yellow to the green. But the white is going to always be on your ground, and your brown is going to be to brown. It's that simple. So here go what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, I already drilled my hole right here. I prepped my hole to put my ground on. That's the white. And I'm gonna show you on the other side. I went on and prepped the hole. As you can see, I got this one in right here. So just go ahead and drill your hole. I use 10 millimeters on everything, so I could just use one wrench to take everything off. So I got that prepped. And as you can see, I got this little tail right here. I call it a little pigtail right here. I'm gonna put that on the ground, and I got these connectors. I'm telling you, if you don't have any of these connectors, you need to get some. So I'm gonna show you what it fits on. As you see, I got my little tail on there. And I got this little wrench right here. This is 10 millimeters. I keep this on my keychain because everything, like I said, I use 10 millimeters to take everything on and off. Because I hate looking for 12 or 11. Just keep everything the same, 10 millimeters. So I put the pigtails on each side. So my white is gonna connect to this. That'll be my ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect my old lights. Okay, I checked everything. I checked the brake lights, signal lights. Right here, I got my caution lights on, but hey, it's really, really easy. It ain't nothing to do. Just right in here, like I showed you before, put that little insulation kit. You don't have to drill no hole or nothing. See that little slot right there? Just bring it down, and you connect these, and you can tie wrap these easily. And I grind this down so I can got a good connection. And right in here, this is where your ground is at. As you notice, I got my white to my black. I didn't have no white wire, so I just used black and brown to brown, green to green. On the other side, yellow to yellow, brown to brown. Connect everything, and you're good. This is real simple. These connectors right here is the way to go. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.